We got a package here from the ever wonderful Mick and Nick. Woo! This package has been stuck somewhere in the system for like a month. So let's check this puppy out. Let's see what we've got. This is so nice of you guys to send me anything. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh, what do you have in here? What did you guys send me? What did you guys send me? Let's check this guy here. Ooh, you guys. Okay. Wow. Y'all. This is amazing. I was looking at these.
You got the right thing.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, you're gonna have to tell me how to use all these things in here. Thank you so much. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to show me how to use all of these cool things in here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah. Let's see what else we got from our friends Mick and Nick. Are you guys using more? Holy smokes. Look at all this awesome stuff in here. Wow. Look at what our friends sent us. Ooh. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh, if I was a bobber, this would be me. Wow. Holy cow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you guys are going to have to show me how to use all this. Oh my. Wow. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Now let's see what this big boy is in here. What do we got over here? What is this? Did you guys send me a rod holder? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? You sent me a rod holder? You guys, no way.
Oh, look what I found.
Wow.
Look what I found in the package.
Nick and Nick, thank you so much for this. I can't even believe you sent this to me. This is like heavy duty. Holy smokes. I feel so spoiled right now. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I love you to pieces and can't wait to use this. I'm gonna send you guys a message too right now on Discord here. This is so cool. You guys, thank you so much. We'll get this out and I'm gonna get another video here. All right, here it is, all set up, ready to go. It was super easy to set up and take down. It folds real small so I can tuck it right in the car with me. It's just perfect. Thanks, Mick and Nick.